Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says here, each question contains statement 1, assertion, and statement 2, that is known as reason. Examine the statement carefully and mark the correct answer according to the instruction given below. So statement 1 is given that addition of ethylene glycol to water lowers the freezing point of water, therefore used as anti-freezing substance. Then statement 2 is given that ethylene glycol is soluble in water. Let's check for the statement 1. So when ethylene glycol glycol, so this is a non-volatile substance, so when ethylene glycol is added to water, so when we added water to ethylene glycol, then the freezing point of the water lowers. So its freezing point, so the freezing point of water lowered. So for that, ethylene glycol is used as antifreezing. So for that, ethylene glycol is used as antifreezing substance. So this one is correct. So let's check for second statement. So second statement is given that ethylene glycol is soluble to water. So here, so only few substances that can lower the freezing point of the water. So there are few substances which are responsible for the freezing point of the water. So all substances cannot lower the freezing point of the water. So some of the part of ethylene glycol lowers the freezing point. But here ethylene glycol is responsible for the freezing point here. So this is not included in all the substance, but from the few substances, one is ethylene glycol. So this one is also correct. And statement 2 this statement 2 cannot cannot be the correct explanation of statement 1 because it is anti-freezing substance. So statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is correct, but this statement number 2 cannot correctly explain about the statement 1. So the correct answer for this question is option number B, that is both the statement 2 but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.